language champions. Welcome to day 12 of our 20 days Hindi reading challenge. You have already mastered many letters and sounds, and today we step into the final stretch with even more confidence. Each day has added color to your learning, and now Hindi is becoming a part of you. Let's keep the energy high and make your day 12 another step towards mastery. Today we are flipping the classroom. I won't be revising the Swaran Vyanjan, and you will be doing it on your own. Get ready to think, recall and shine as you revise everything on your own in a fun and smart way. And here is a quick heads up. Tomorrow we will have a small assessment covering all the Swar, Vyanjan and Samyukt Vyanjan letters. So revise well today, stay confident and get ready to show how much you have learned. Now it's time to take a big step forward. Today we are entering the world of Samyukt Vyanjan, where two letters join together to make powerful new sounds. Let's begin. Firstly, why are they called Samyukt Vyanjan? The name itself tells the meaning. The word Samyukt means join or combine, and Vyanjan means consonants. So, Samyukt Vyanjan literally means joint consonants or combined consonants. They get this name because two consonant letters join together to form one new letter with a blended sound. In a nutshell, these letters are called Samyukt Vyanjan because they are made by joining two consonants to create one new powerful sound. Now, let's see the Samyukt Vyanjan letters one by one with examples for better understanding. The first letter is Ksha. Ksha is derived from adding the sounds K and Sh. The sound of Sh is pronounced as Ksha, like the Ksha in the word Lakshmi. Let us see an example. Kshatriya, which means warrior in English. A Kshatriya is known as a brave protector in ancient times. Now, let's read the sentence. Kshatriya veer hota hai, meaning a warrior is brave. Now, let's see the strokes. A standing line, followed by a curved slanting line. Take a turn, make an open curve, then again take a turn. Finally, a sleeping line on top. I repeat, a standing line, a curved slanting line, take a turn, make an open curve, again take a turn, finally, a sleeping line on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter Ksha, pronounce it as Ksha and think of the word Kshatriya, meaning warrior. The next letter is Tra. It is derived by adding the letters Tha and Ra. The tongue quickly moves from Tha to Ra to make the smooth sound Thra. The sound of Thra is pronounced as Thra, like the Thra in the word triangle. Let us see an example. Trikon, which means triangle in English. A triangle is a shape that has three sides and three corners. Now, let's read the sentence. त्रिकोण का आकार तीन कोणों वाला है, meaning a triangle has three corners. Now, let's see the strokes. A standing line, followed by a slanting line. Just take a turn a little. Again a slanting line down. Finally a sleeping line on top. I repeat, a standing line, followed by a slanting line upwards. Just take a turn a little. Again, make a slanting line facing downwards. Finally, a sleeping line on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter Tra, pronounce it as Tra and think of the word Trikon, meaning triangle. The next letter, Gya, is formed by adding the letters J plus Nya. This letter is also pronounced as Nya. So basically, this letter is pronounced in two forms. One is Gya and the other one is Nya. The sound of Nya is pronounced as Gya or Nya like the nya in the word nyan. Let us see an example. Jnani, which means wise person in English. A wise person gives good advice and makes thoughtful decisions. Now, let's read the sentence. Jnani vyakti salah deta hai, meaning a wise person gives advice. Let's see the strokes now. A standing line followed by a sleeping line. Make a close curve, take a turn, finally a sleeping line on top. I repeat. A standing line, a sleeping line, a close curve followed by a take a turn, finally a sleeping line on top. So remember, whenever you see the letter nya, pronounce it as nya and think of the word jnani, meaning wise person. The next and the last letter is shra. The shra is derived by adding the letters sh plus r. The soft sh blends with the rolling r to form the sound shra. The sound of shra is pronounced as shra like the shra in the word shram. Let us see an example. Shram, meaning hard work or labor in English. Hard work helps us achieve success and reach our goals. Now, let's read the sentence. सफलता पाने के लिए निरंतर श्रम करना आवश्यक है. Meaning, to achieve success, continuous hard work is necessary. Now, let's see the strokes. A standing line, a curved slanting line, take a turn, make a slanting line, again a slanting line facing downwards, finally a sleeping line on top. I repeat, a standing line, a curved slanting line, take a turn, small slanting line, again place a slanting line facing downwards, finally a sleeping line on top. This letter might look tricky, but you can still achieve by practice. So remember, whenever you see the letter shra, pronounce it as sh and think of the word shram, meaning hard work. Great work everyone. Today on day 12, we explored the special Samyukt Vyanjan letters, and these compound letters make Hindi reading richer and more powerful. You learned their sounds, formation and meaningful example words. Now you can confidently recognize and read these unique letters in words and sentences. Keep revising all Swar, Vyanjan and Samyukt Vyanjan letters because tomorrow we will have a small, fun assessment to check your knowledge. Be proud of your progress. You are now one step closer to reading Hindi fluently. See you in the next challenge day. Thank you.